Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jenkins admin user on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I'm going to enable the Jenkins server. Now I'm tapping on the enter button, password of the root user, and now I'm tapping on the enter button again. This sudo command is used to grant administrative privileges. Systemctl manages system services, and this enable Jenkins enables the Jenkins server. So now I'm going to start the Jenkins server. Tapping on the enter button again. Now it's time to check the status of the Jenkins server. So for this I'm going to type. Now tapping the enter button again. As you can see, the status of my Jenkins server is active now. It's time to visit the Jenkins server connected to the local host. You can use any browser for this. I'm using the Mozilla Firefox. Here is the path location to a file to retrieve initialAdminPassword from the Ubuntu system. Now I'm going to open the initialAdminPassword file with sudo privileges in my Ubuntu terminal, and for this I'm going to copy this file location and paste this in my Ubuntu terminal. This cat command is used to show the contents inside the file. So now I'm tapping on the enter button, and here is the password of root user. Now tapping on the enter button again, and as you can see, this is the password of the admin, and now I have to copy this. Then I'm going to paste the password in the administrator password field and press the continue button. Now I'm going to press this to install the useful Jenkins plugins. As you can see, the installation is complete. Now it's time to fill up the user credentials for creating first admin user in Jenkins server. So now I'm typing the username. To change the password, email address. Now I'm going to save and continue this. Now I'm going to click on the save and finish button to save the user credentials. Finally, I'm clicking on this button to launch the server. Now click on the people button to view the newly created admin user. As you can see, this is the admin user I created right now. By following this video, you can also create a Jenkins admin user on your Ubuntu system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.